Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily repost Twitter posts on X or Twitter. So if you use a X or Twitter for the first time, you can easily repost someone a Twitter post on this app. All you have to do is try to notice this icon. This is the repost icon. You can tap it and just tap repost, and the tweet is reposted on your account. So you can try to, there is no limit how you can repost, and even you can undo repost on this app. So feel free to try. Please be wise to repost something on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.